Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Duniya. Today we are diving into the world of GraphQL and going to discuss and uncover the advantages it brings to the table. So if you are a developer or someone interested in the latest trends of web and mobile development, please do not miss this. Let's kick the things off is one of the most significant benefit of GraphQL, reducing overfetching of data. In the RESTful APIs, client often receive the predefined data structure from the server. The problem is these structures contains more data than the client need for a specific task. Imagine a mobile application that only needs a username and profile picture, but it receives the user's entire profile, including information like address, phone number, friends list, and etc. With GraphQL, client can request precisely the data they need, nothing more and nothing less, using a single query. This eliminates overfetching, reduce unnecessary bandwidth consumption, and result in a most responsive application. Advantage number 2. GraphQL minimizes API request. In RESTful APIs, client often need to make multiple calls to the different endpoints to gather all necessary data for a single view. For instance, consider a web page that needs to display the list of articles along with their author. With REST, it may require multiple calls to gather the data. One call to fetch the article and another one to fetch the authors. GraphQL allows clients to request multiple related resources in a single query. It is directly reducing the HTTPS request, minimizing the latency, providing the best and faster experience to the users. And finally, let's talk about speed. GraphQL accelerates development. Traditional RESTful APIs often require a significant effort in designing, documenting, and maintaining the multiple endpoints to cater the various client requirements. In GraphQL, developers can focus on a single, well-documented schema. Client can adapt their queries to suit their needs, and server handle the rest. This streamlines the entire development process, means faster iterations and feature delivery. To sum it up, GraphQL is a game changer for developers and businesses. It reduces overfetching, minimizes API requests, and accelerates the development. So, if you wanted to build an application with responsive and most user-friendly one, the GraphQL is a technology you should definitely consider. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. If you consider this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you have any kind of questions and any topics you do like us to cover in future videos, please leave your comment in below. Until next time, happy coding!